Did you know a 16-year-old kid once fooled the entire world by pretending to be a pilot, doctor, and lawyer? Meet Frank Abagnale. In 1963, this teenager started the most incredible con game in history. He walked into airports wearing a fake pilot uniform and flew for free on over 200 flights. Airlines actually let him sit in the cockpit because they thought he worked there. But that was just the beginning. Frank forged fake checks worth $2.5 million across 26 countries. He became a fake doctor in Georgia and actually supervised real medical students. Then he pretended to be a lawyer in Louisiana and passed the bar exam without going to law school. His secret? Frank was a master forger. He studied how checks were made and copied them perfectly. He also knew exactly what to say to make people trust him. By age 20, he was the FBI's most wanted criminal. The craziest part? When they finally caught him, the FBI was so impressed they hired him to catch other criminals. Sometimes the best way to stop a con artist is to use one.